Oh, I saw your question in the email here. You want to use the half angle formula to find the exact value of sine of 3 pi 8. Well, first thing you need to do is look up the half angle identities. I guess if you looked on page, let's see, what is it, 207 in your book, you'll find those. Page 207. You'll find the half angle identities, and we need one for sine. So here it is. Instead of theta over 2, we have 3 pi over 8. So we need to manipulate that to an angle over 2. And so I just want to show you, 3 pi force over 2. Another way to write that is 3 pi force divided by 2. You take the reciprocal and you multiply 3 pi force times a half, which is the same as 3 pi eighths. I'm just trying to show you that 3 pi eighths and 3 pi force all over 2, that these are the same thing. I'm justifying here. So our theta here is going to be 3 pi force. And so, we're going to put it in this formula, 3 pi force and for theta. Now, since we're, 3 pi eighths is in quadrant 1, it's going to be positive. And so we just, got a plus or minus, but we just want the positive value. So now it's just a matter of evaluating this. Cosine 3 pi force, that's what? Minus square root 2 over 2. So 2 minuses become a plus. Then I multiply top and bottom by 2. And I get this, and I take the square root of 4. So final answer is square root of 2 plus square root of 2 all over 2. Hope that helps.